Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to configure Grandstream UCM6202. So we're on the main screen here, on which we put the address in the address bar on Google Chrome. The default port is 8089. The default username is admin, and the password is written on the back of the device itself. When it is new, the default password is on the back of the device. So we will get that password and enter it in this field. So as soon as we enter the interface, we see the dashboard on which there's different screens showing the storage and also the CPU, the memory, the SIP trunks and all that. So we'll start the setup wizard first. And the first thing that we see here in the setup wizard, which is very important, is to change the default password. So we'll change the default password to our password. And we have to provide an email address as well. The next screen is the network settings. The default setting on which the UCM is shipped with is route. So it is acting as a router. So I'm changing this to the switch in this case so that we can connect the LAN port and it gets an IP from DHCP. However, I'm going to put a static IP. Any device that acts as a server, like in this case the UCM, it is recommended that you put a static IP instead of being on DHCP. The next screen is the time zone. I'm going to leave it at default. And right after that, we have the extension screen. So currently the extensions start from 1001 and we are configuring 5 extensions. And I'm leaving this as system password for the extensions. And the last screen enables us to configure the trunks. On the UCM6202, there's two options. You can configure a SIP trunk or analog trunk. So in this case, I'm configuring a SIP trunk, which is a voice over IP line. So all our calls are going through the internet. I'm going to save the configuration. So after we save the configuration, we'll see that all the initial configuration is now done. And when you go back to the dashboard, it shows that we have one SIP trunk configured. However, right now it's grayed out, so it means it is not connected. As soon as we apply the changes, it's going to restart the device, and we are done with the configuration. Thanks for watching. In the next video, I will show you how to configure this other features on the UCM. Thank you.